I need to clean this up again. I'm all set. Triple check, always triple check. It's, you know, high tide. Let's do one of these tosses like this. Oh, look. The boat died. Now I gotta wait till it comes in. Oh boy, what do I do? Seriously, it don't start. Can't shut it off. Can't do anything. Let's go find a stick and just wait for it to come in. Ah, somebody left me a nice plank. Let's try to get it before it goes out. It's gonna go out. Let's go in and get it. It's nice and cold. Yeah. Whew, that's cold. All right, I checked everything out. And that's a good thing. I have to triple check everything. So there's got to be a bad wiring system of this product. Well, let's pull it out. Transmitter's on. You can hear the unit wanting to start. Give it a propeller. We're good. Let's close it up. Now what I am going to do next time, right now, I'm going to bang the sucker before I throw it in, like that. So bang it. Now we're good to go. Let's try that again. Ready? There we go. Single-handedly, just go down to the end. Nice wide turn.
How far is it?
About 500 feet.
100 feet?
From here to the old buoy.
People stand there, right?
Excuse me?
Like all the way up to the people stand there?
Just about, yeah.
Oh,
If I go just about to them, I'll start to lose it.
oh.
Right about there, right there. Right there I lost it.
Oh my God. And then you come back.
And then I could bring it back, and I gotta walk. There I go.
Oh, yeah.
Right about there. It's not the best one, but it's a good one.
Yeah.
And it lasts up to 15 minutes.
The battery?
Yeah. 18650s, those cigarette batteries. And it's supposed to be 30 miles per hour.
Oh, this fast.
Yeah, it looks like 22 miles to me. And right over there I got the pylon, so I try to be careful. There's a lot of rocks here.
Yeah.
And I like to always go towards the shore, like right about here. I could go real shallow. It's about 18 inches in diameter, in the length. It's a good aircraft, you know, good vessel for the water.
Right. How much is that?
It was like $69 when it was Black Friday or Amazon Prime. It costs $100 today.
Oh.
So you could get it for $69 to $100. And it's not Not meant for salt water. It's meant for fresh water.
Not for the salt.
Not for salt water like this. After you do it in salt water, wash it with fresh water.
Oh,
This has a what you call a water-cooled motor.
oh, water cooler.
And see if I bring it in. I'll show it to you.
Nice. Very nice.
These things today, they're not like the old ones. They have one hole to cover waterproof, and then
The battery inside.
battery. And then the battery's there.
Oh, the chargeable one.
And then if I want to show the insides, let me just do one thing.
Ow, so somebody takes everything's out.
This is the important part. Don't want you to cut your fingers because there's no safety switch in here.
Oh, I see.
And then that's the inside. You can hold it.
Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. It's a motor. Oh, you have to cut.
You can
Get
see
inside
there's
the
water in
wash
there,
it,
but it's not
yeah.
it's not 100% water. Ah man, I tell you, I had loads of fun. You get to talk to the people, and yeah. Tell you what I'm gonna go do now. I'm gonna take this Dean's plug. I'm gonna say goodbye to it, put some XT60s on it. I don't think they make XT30s, but I don't want to put XT90 way too big. Gotta go get a 60, solder them on, and that'll fix my problem. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come.